structure of nephron. Each kidney, which consists of nearly 1 million of nephrons. 1 million of nephrons present in each kidney. Nephrons are the microscopic structures. These are the structural functional units. These are the structural functional units. The structural functional units. If we observe each microscopic structure of nephron, before this, if you observe the length and diameter of the nephron, each nephron which have 33 centimeter, 3 centimeter in length, are nearly 20 to 40 micrometers, 20 to 40 micrometers in the diameter. If we observe the structure of nephron, in the structure of nephron which consists of two portions. See here, in the structure of nephron, if you observe the flow chart, let me draw here nephron which consists of two portions. One, Malphizian body and a renal tubule. These two are the portions in the nephron. Malphizian body. This Malphizian body, they have the again two portions. One, glomerulus. A glomerulus is nothing but it is a tuft of blood capillaries, are known as glomerulus. And Bowman's capsule. Both the Bowman's capsule glomerulus together forms a Malphizian body. And next portion, renal tubule, which have the majorly three portions. That is PCT, which means proximal convoluted tubule. This PCT continues as loop of Henle, LH, loop of Henle. And this loop of Henle, which have the two portions, one is descending loop of Henle and ascending loop of Henle. And next, which is continuous as DCT, means distal convoluted tubule. These are the portions or the parts in the renal tubule. And finally, each nephron's DCT finally which opens into the collecting duct, and each collecting ducts which receive the filtrate from the nearly 8 nephrons. Okay, this is a flow chart of the nephron. Okay, let's see the types of nephrons. So we know that each kidney, which consists of nearly 1 million of microscopic nephrons, means approximately our two kidneys which have 2 millions of nephrons. So we know that 1 million means nearly 1 million means 10 lakhs of nephrons. So in the 1 million of nephrons of each kidney, the majorly 85% of the nephrons are the cortical nephrons, and remaining 15% are the juxtamedullary nephrons. Let's see the one by one. First, cortical nephrons. In the cortical nephrons, see here, cortical nephrons. If we imagine see here, and this portion, it is a cortex portion, and this is the medulla portion. Okay, here the cortical nephrons, major parts of the cortical nephrons, which means Bowman's capsule, this is a glomerulus, it is a double layer Bowman's capsule, and the PCT portion, it is a highly coiled tube structure, and PCT, and which is continued as loop of Henle. This is a DCT, and this is a collecting duct. See here, in the cortical nephrons, maximum portions of the cortical nephrons, which means glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, PCT, DCT, loop of Henle, PCT, DCT. All these portions are located in the cortex region. At the same time, the loop of Henle, which lies very little in the medulla region, and also here, which have the peritubulary capillaries are present here. But very, very important, in the cortical nephrons, see here, in the cortical nephrons, peritubular capillaries are present, but there is no vasa recta. So this is the cortical nephrons. Okay, and if we observe the juxtamedullary nephrons, see here, these are all the cortical nephrons. Here juxtamedullary nephrons. Same in the juxtamedullary nephrons. Here, the upper portion, this is a cortex, and this is a medulla portions. Here, in the juxtamedullary nephrons, the Bowman's capsule or the Malpighian body, which is very close to the junction of cortex and medulla, like this, which is very close to the junction of cortex and medulla here, and the PCT, which is very near to the medulla, and here very important, here in the cortical nephrons, loop of Henle is very short loop of Henle here, but here the loop of Henle deeply situated or deeply located into the medulla region, and which is continuous as a DCT, and this is a collecting duct. And what about the peritubular capillaries here? Here in the cortical nephrons, peritubular capillaries are present, but there is no here there is no vasa recta where in the cortical nephrons. But if you observe in the juxtamedullary nephrons, there is a capillary network presence, and developed vasa recta is also present See, this is a vasa recta. This is a vasa recta. Okay, this is a vasa recta. Okay, these are the major difference between the cortical nephrons and juxtamedullary nephrons. Okay, thank you. And next we continue the in details of the structure of nephron. Thank you.